The title is not clickbait. I'm actually selling all my stuff. Okay, there's no easy way to say this. I am giving up this shop. You probably noticed that there has been so much change in my life, and of course also in my professional life and my shop situation, moving to California, opening a new shop. Now I opened a new shop again in California. I'm opening the gallery, but I'm still super close to my German connection. I have my house here, I have my friends here, I have the TV show that I'm working. But I noticed more and more that one asset that I'm not using enough is this big shop. It used to be the epicenter of potential for me, the place where I can make absolutely anything, all the time, but I'm not using it enough. And it feels like I'm wasting a lot of potential, and I'm just wasting my money, of course. This is expensive to have, but also my emotional connection. You know, I feel sad. I miss this place, but mostly I feel sad because it's not being used. It's like a beautiful car that you never drive. It becomes a burden. It's not really an asset. It's nothing that you enjoy. It's something that you feel bad about. And this is what happened to the shop. So I decided I'm going to sell as much as I can. And this is actually happening the second weekend of August. 8th, 9th, we don't know the details yet. Follow me here, follow me on Insta, follow me on Patreon. I will announce it early enough, but right now, if you want to come, it's going to be the second weekend in August. This will all be open to the public. We're probably going to have a little party or something, and I'm going to sell everything that I'm not taking to Haus Lieselotte, which is the flip side of this whole thing. Because yes, bad news, I'm getting rid of the shop. But good news, Haus Lieselotte will become its own thing. But it's also going to be its own video that Felix and I are working on right now.
Okay. Boah, was?
So just for this, I'm not that sad. It feels good to let go. And the potential kind of comes with me. This place is not my dream shop anymore because I'm never here. So I'm building my dream shop in California. I'm building Haus Lieselotte into something very, very special, and it's time to let go of this. So this little update video is for you to know things are changing once again, and you can come by and hang out in August and get, like, are you into motorcycles? Are you into aluminum boxes? You like this? Yeah, it's time to let go. So I'm letting go. I think that's the whole video. That's all I wanted to say. Come back next week. We have a Haus Lieselotte major update. The week after, we have more Haus Lieselotte updates. And the week after that, I'll be back in California and have new updates of my shop and my gallery space that I'm opening there. So thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I'm surprised that I enjoy letting go. And I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye. This video is brought to you by Incogni. If you already know what Incogni is and you want to test it, you can go to incogni.com/LauraKampf, use the promo code LauraKampf and get 60% off. Thousands of companies are collecting, aggregating, and trading your personal information without you even knowing it. The good news is you have the right to request those data brokers to delete your information, but the bad news is In practice, this is very tedious, it takes a long time, and you will have to deal with a lot of objections. And this is where Incogni comes into play. Incogni helps you protect your privacy and take your personal data off the market by reaching out to data brokers on your behalf, requesting your personal data removal, and dealing with their objection. Those informations that the data brokers are trading is not only stuff like your name, home address, phone number, it's even more sensitive like that. Your employment history, medical history, or social security number. So it's actually pretty important that you get a hold of this. And it is also very annoying. In my instance, I got an American phone number, and I think the person owning that number before me is called Megan. So I'm not only getting spam for my stuff, I'm also getting spam for Megan's stuff. And I get like discount codes from Home Depot, and whatever Megan did, I'm getting her spam. It is super annoying. So Incogni is a service that I really like to use. And they now have an updated family plan. With Incogni's custom removal feature in the Unlimited plan and Family Unlimited plan, you can point to any People search site or other website where your personal information is visible, and one of their privacy agents will take care of the rest for you. Again, if you're interested in using their services, you can go to incogni.com/LauraKampf and use the promo code LauraKampf to get 60% off. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank Incogni for the ongoing support of my work.